Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, I'll show you how easy it is to block any order using custom rules with the Cart Lock app. First, go to the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on the Add a New Condition button. You'll see all the available conditions to block orders, such as cart amount, quantity, discounts, customer tags, and many more. Let's add cart total for this example, and set the block if less than field to 100. My store's primary currency is USD, so if a customer tries to purchase for less than 100 USD, their order will be blocked, and they won't be able to complete it. Next, give the rule a name in the Rule Name field for internal use. The error message field is important, because this custom message will be shown to your customer on the front end during their order. In most cases, you should block the checkout page only for a better customer experience, so we'll keep the checked of the Block Checkout Only option. Since we've only used a single condition from the Cart Total option, the Match Conditions field won't affect the order restriction. We'll leave it as it is. The Block Orders if any error occurs or app fails option is up to you. You can check the box or leave it based on your preference. Now click the Save button. Let's try adding a product to the cart under $100 and go to the checkout page. As expected, our error message appears here, and we can't complete the order because the total is under $100. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you can find our WhatsApp and Facebook contact information too. I hope you found this video guide helpful. Thank you for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!